chase that check. I gotta get that money, I gotta chase that check. But you ain't got no spec, and you ain't chase no check. Then you ain't get no money, then you ain't got no tech. And I can bleed it, and I can trust it, and I can bleed what I wanna do, I want it. And I can bleed what I wanna do, I love it. They hating on me in public, I love it. But I be chasing money, and I be chasing honeys, and that's my fucking problem. I'm a fucking dummy, but I'm a curse one, and that's one day, honey. And you gon' get that one day when I'm done chasing money. Cash accumulate over days, and chase that check for days. Let cash accumulate over days, and chase that check for days. Let cash accumulate over days, and chase that check for days. Let cash accumulate over days, and chase that check for days. Let cash accumulate over days, and chase that check for days. Let cash accumulate over days, and chase that check over days. Chase that check. Yeah, chase that check. I had a moment of silence, cause I be chasing that check. And this shit so crazy, I don't even stress. Yeah, the bitch left, but they ain't the first time she left. It's like a boomerang, she come bouncing back. Just like on the day, yeah, she do a spin, yeah, she do those spins, yeah, she spit on that team, yeah, but I'ma stay on point. I gotta get that money, just like my joints, they spread out, and I flop my wings. If I was a bird, I'd be a wing. Yeah, you get it? Yeah, that's first class shit. First class, you don't even know what I'm talking about. Bitch, I'm the pilot lit. I'm the pilot lit. Business owner. I represent. I'm from the fold. Everybody throw up that shit. Let cash accumulate over days. Chase that check for days. Let cash accumulate over days. Chase that check for days. Let cash accumulate over days. And chase that check for days. Let cash accumulate over days. And chase that check for days. Let cash accumulate over days. And chase that check for days. Let cash accumulate over days. And chase that check for days. Let cash accumulate over days. And chase that check for days. Let cash accumulate over days. And chase that check for days.
What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is the recap with Let Cash Accumulate Over Days. Today is Monday, July the 10th. We're going to go over what happened today in the stock market and the crypto sector here. Now that crypto sector, it's always open. It's still moving currently right now. You know how that works. This is recap coverage from the stock and crypto market. These are live ideas. That's what this is. Of thought and studies. This is not financial advice on this stream or with this company. With that being said, ladies and gentlemen, let's just go ahead and get right into what happened here. Not gonna stall it here. Stocks closed higher Monday. The Dow Jones Industrial Average traded 209.52 points higher, or 0.62%. The S&P 500 and the NASDAQ Composite rose 0.24% and 0.18%, respectfully. Respectfully, you guys, respectfully. Bull market, as I was saying yesterday on the recap, hit the like and subscribe, but the market is gonna always, it's climbing higher. We're either, like I said, we are at the top, or the market is going to continue to climb higher. And the move is about to be made here. We got economic data this week. The week ahead watch list this week, guys. I already kicked off today, Monday. We had some Fed speakers speak here. So you can go ahead and wipe that out there. That's over with. Now we're looking at Tuesday. We're just looking at Tuesday. Looking at Tuesday strongly now. You know, Fed's bullets, comments, and Amazon Prime Day, you guys, is lit. Uh, you know, we're gonna see if Amazon is selling their Prime Day, or are they letting consumers buy? We're about to find out here. Amazon was selling today. Um, Amazon may be up tomorrow. Um, Amazon may not be up tomorrow. We're gonna find out. It's Prime Day, you guys. So it's going on 2 days in a row. That's the key for tomorrow. It is very factored in to with the CPI inflation data coming up on Wednesday. That's the big day this week, and PPI inflation data Thursday, you guys. Jobless claim data. All this data is exactly, you know, it's going to be key. It's going to make the market move. Uh, Consumer sentiment data, you guys, same thing, you know, everything this week. One stock to buy, one stock to sell this week. Buy Delta Airlines, sell Citigroup. We're going to see if that's true. Earnings is getting kicked off here. WD-40 company went today. They released their earnings. We're going to check that chart out here after hours, see what that's going on with, what's going on with that. And you know, Fed speakers, like I said, tomorrow, you guys, we got Bullet. So be on the lookout for those comments. And that's pretty much it going into tomorrow, man. But top 5 things to know this week: CPI data, you guys, seriously. PPI data, in the earnings, you know, and Prime Day tomorrow. So and Wednesday, you know, that's Prime Day, 2 days in a row. So be on the lookout for that. It's gonna have an effect on the market. You know, it's gonna have a reaction towards the stock market. So be prepared with what's going on. That's pretty much it. Summing it up here. We're gonna get into the charts and numbers. Before we get into that, I want y'all to see how the indices close. And it was a strange day. It was one of those days. Indices closed bullish. It was one of those days. The indices closed bullish, but you did see the VIX close up too. So it was like it was one of them days. Just how you seeing this picture? How you seeing it right here? This imagery right here. This is just what it felt like. Oh, like, whoa, is the market about to go? Is it? Oh, but it's coming back. And then it will be like, whoa. So you know, bullish though, bull market. This is just yeah, we're on a roller coaster. This is called Top Gun here. So just you know how it is. If you know ever been to Carowinds, that's we're in the bull market though, man. It's gonna be like that. Just believe, best believe, although if the VIX go down tomorrow and this continues to happen, you'll see the numbers get higher than what they are now, going into the CPI data on Wednesday. But you know, the VIX may be signaling out something. You may see the whole market about to flip here. So it is one of the two here. You know, it is getting blurry. It is getting whoa, like you get what I'm saying. You see what's going on, and then the market, you guys, today it was a breaking news. Be cautious. Large caps now available on the 24-hour market as well. They added Coinbase on that too as well. But basically, all what ended up is happening, you guys. Let me break it down to you. All this ended up happening. I'm gonna click on the stock for an example, and I'm gonna show you what it means. So for instance, for an example here, if we can get this screen to load, a lot of people was getting a little worried. They didn't know what that meant. So I threw the caution in there because, you know, honestly, I didn't know what it meant. It was they just threw that in there. They just added it, updated to the app. It looks like they can just update whenever they want and do whatever they want. So these are just things we sign up for. So, but knowing what it is, it's just basically letting us know now that they're keeping track of the indices all the way to midnight, from midnight to basically the next day open. Now that's what they're saying. So for an example, I'll show you here on the charting. You probably can look at it and tell. But yeah, it was during the market hours. For instance, like Apple and Tesla, they had it. They had it right here where you see overnight. They had it to where, like I said, 24-hour market, and people didn't know what that meant. Really, you know, they did add that in the game today. That is new. But they're just keeping track of the market overnight now, basically 24 hours. That's all they're saying. Nothing changed, but it did shift a lot of volatility because people didn't know what was going on. So the volatility did slow up, you guys, and that's what happened. But that's all it is now. Like I said, from 12 a.m. all the way till basically the market open. 9:30 a.m. Like I said, it's keeping track. It's going to show you now that on the charting of the timing. That's all that is. 24-hour market now. So that's just all it was. That's why I was like, just be cautious because you just never know. I didn't know what it meant. You'll see it the opposite. We didn't know what it meant. That's why it's let catch screwing over days. Let things play out. Understand what's happening. Read through some stuff and understand what's going on. But nothing changing as far as how the market works. Trading and investing. None of that. It's just they're just adding the 24-hour charting. That's all they're doing. So you'll see definitely the volatility come back tomorrow for sure, and everything will be back to normal. But that's all that was, you guys. But let's go ahead and get into the charts and numbers here, though. But as you've seen, like I said, the indices did close bullish, you guys, and pretty much that's what happened right there. That's how it felt today. So looking at the spot, you guys. Looking at the spot, I got some clients saying they get the candles now. They want me to go back to the candles. I said, oh, really? I love that. Thanks, because I love the candles and I love when people get it. You know what I'm saying? Because it really is. It's easier to read a candle. The lines are cool, but the timing on the lines it's just better to read the candle. Baseline. No offense, it's for beginners. When I was started out, I love baseline. No offense to baseline, but. Baseline is really good. It does build you up for these candles. You understand it now. But let's go ahead and get into the spot. Upside levels tomorrow, you guys. Looks like the spot, what they did today, nothing. Didn't go up too much. Did not retest the highs yet. Did not break above 440. Ooh, so this is still a zone here that they're going to have to get to. They know it. But they didn't do it today. So it was a failed attempt. So you still got resistance right now going on. The Bears are really still, holding their ground. But as the Bulls are holding their ground as well, they're not going down. So you just saw it stay higher, basically. That's what ended up happening today. The market just stayed up. It didn't go down. Didn't go up. It just stayed up. So it stayed right where it was at. But took a little steep dip, but still in the channel here. If you look at it circular here. So it really looks like the spot is building a bottom here, but if you zoom out, could be at the top. So it is either building the bottom right now or it is at the top. You get what I'm saying? You're going to see the market go this way, you guys, or you're going to see the market go back this way. The move is cool in here. CPI data looking like the catalyst this week. That's just what you got to be ready for. CPI data, you guys, on Wednesday at 8:30 a.m. But going into tomorrow, man, it's exciting. The spy is still bullish, basically, right now. Everybody's excited. He's looking for that push tomorrow, 440.50. You get the spy there, the next level is 442 to the upside on the spy. And that'll really regain that momentum back to the upside slowly, not the top there, but almost. It'll be almost, you get what I'm saying. Could possibly be pushing out to another double topping pattern. And, possibly hold this time with the CPI data is good going into next week. So don't forget about it, 446 and 450 though. Still, don't forget about that. But to the downside though, if 438 doesn't hold tomorrow, you guys. The next low level after that is 436 here to the downside. And then you'll see the SPY actually flush here. And then it'll be the Bears will want to get to their target, 434. And that'll be the bottom. The support will step in. The Bulls will step in here. And there'll be consolidation here. And then the market will figure out which way it's going after that. The Bears would also love 430 as well. And 428 to 426, excuse me, 426. So it can go either way here. CPI data bad. Still looking at the overall market data and everything. How it's panning out. 1 until tomorrow. It can go either way. We're gonna look out for these levels, you guys. Triple Qs, same thing here. Bullish. Upside levels here. Zoom out now. This is what I'm saying, bullish. We're in a bull market. Triple Qs has been going up. Remember, this is where the AI hype has been coming from. Triple Qs, they are the ones that's been causing the AI hype. Where I just drew right there, that's the AI hype right there. So, knowing that, look over here, you got to look back now. Whoa, okay, they can really steep here and boom, top out here. So there is more room to run on the triple Qs. and we could possibly be looking out for a breakout, you guys, 420 to 440 zone. So that's, long term, but triple Qs is really, really looking bullish, you guys. 386 is still the target by the summer, but let's look from the 1 day perspective here. Let's get back to it. On the upside levels here, going into tomorrow, you guys. Next week, you know how it goes, CPI data, whatever. Triple Qs, they need to get back to 367.50 here. They break above that level. The next level is 370. And the triple Qs, that'll regain the bullish momentum quickly, and it's still a bull market, but it'll regain the bullish momentum as well. And then from that point, triple Qs can break above their target. Right now it is 374, 375. They're trying to get there, so be on the lookout for that. Going long here, though, like I said, end of the summer, end of the fall, 386 still in play. To the downside now, to the downside, because this could be your top. Data may be bad. We don't know. The market is bearish right now, and the Bears. It's like the Bears are teasing or something. I don't know. They're getting it. They are getting it their way, but it's not really flushing though. Still high, so I don't know. But it could be the top though. So to the downside tomorrow, 364 here. Looking for that flush. If that don't, once that does flush, if that does, 363 is the next level here on the triple Qs, you guys. And if that doesn't hold, 360 is your bottom. You'll see support step in. Bulls will figure it out there. Consolidation will start to happen. If that don't hold, the next low level is 357 though. That'll be your ultimate bottom there. So it can go either way still. DIA. To the upside, 340 here, you guys. Next level above that, we're trying to get to 342.50. That's the target right now. Going along 350 here to the downside right now. The DIA, you guys. This could be your top. So to the downside, we're going into tomorrow, 338.20. That don't hold. The next low level is 336.40 here. That'll be your bottom right there. Consolidation will step in here. Support will step in. Bulls will figure it out. If it doesn't hold from the next level, the next low level is 334.50 on the DIA, and it can go either way still here by the end of the week next week. Going further, IWM, IWM hit their target here, 188, didn't they? Woo! Looking strong, bullish, looking like the best in the market right now, ain't they? So they're right there at it, and 190 is the next level. That's the victory level right there. That's the finish line. And this is a new beginning here, 192. That's all they got to do now. So that's what the IWM, that's what I'm looking out for. Going into tomorrow, you guys, well, for next week, by the end of the week, whatever. But coming soon here. Going long 200 for sure on the IWM. In the summer, like I said, in the fall. To the downside here, IWM, the IWM, you guys, to the downside, 187 doesn't hold here. It looks like IWM is coming back down to 185 here. And if that doesn't hold, you guys, looks like we're back testing all the way back down here to 182. That'll probably be your bottom. It'll consolidate here. Support will step in, and then possibly you get 180. If that don't hold, that'll be your ultimate bottom. And we'll be right back where it just was. So, over here. So, either way, you can go either way still right now, you guys. VIX, the volatility, the speed of the market, the direction of the market, that's all the VIX is. It tells you that. That's what this chart is all about. So if you didn't know, now you know. The VIX is the speed of the market, the direction of the market. If the VIX is up, the market is down. If the VIX is down, the market is up. The VIX has been going down, so that's why the market is up. The VIX is now trying to get off the ground. It looks like it's trying to go up here. So you do see the market stalling right now, trying to figure out if it's going down or if it's the VIX is stalling, and then they're just going to keep going up, and the VIX is going to go down. So we're looking at it closely here. See the VIX put in a red candle right here today, but it looks like they're really trying to fill that 17 candle right here. So still in play right now. It did go back down here to 15 at close. So to the upside tomorrow, on the VIX here, I'm looking out for, like I said, 17. If the VIX can get to $17, the market is going down, you guys. The top is in for the current time. And tomorrow, if the VIX go down, here. I'm looking at the levels at about $14 here. So just to fill right here, just fill this whole section here. And then I know the market rally will continue. The bulls will continue to take the market higher, you guys. So I'm looking at it to go either way there on the VIX. Meta, Meta, oh my gosh, went crazy this morning. 298 topped out, did not get 300 again. Threads is really pushing this, man. Threads is really pushing this, man, and I like the app. I like it so far. Remember I told you guys to add me on Threads. Add Let's Cash Accumulate over days on Threads. And it's a nice app. My only problem is there's no gifts yet. So looking at that, it looks like they're probably going to be updating it soon. Look right now I'm trying to get on it. Looks like there's no way I can get on it. I tried to get on it through Twitter, so Twitter's not allowing it, it looks like. So that's funny right now. But I was trying to show y'all, like, you know, how they have no gifts and stuff like that. And then there's certain stuff that's still not there yet. That could be the reason why, you know, it's not hitting 300 yet. But 300 is coming, you guys. You see it's teasing it. It had it over here in the pre-market, but it hasn't got it. Nobody has got it in the open market. Not even 299. So, yeah. Amazing push to try, though, you know, with the $100 million signups, you know. And, you know, you shouted them out. So, shout out to them, you feel me, with the $100 million signups. Sheesh, that's big. That's really big right there. And I think that number's gonna go up each week now, and they're gonna have updates to the app. So you really should be really zooming out 5 years now on Meta, you guys. This thing could really go up if it wants to. So just be on the lookout for that. You know, Threads is big. It's really huge. Looks like they're probably working on some things right now. That's why it's not pulling up. But, you know, again, congratulations to them. But, yeah, looking at the levels here tomorrow on Meta, you guys. Mark doing his thing over here at Threads. Looks like they're still going to fight, too. I seen an AI video of Mark and Elon fighting, but it was just like their pictures, their face imagery, and two random guys fighting. So it looks like they're still teasing at that fight coming in August, you guys. So that's still on the line. So to the upside levels, you guys, tomorrow, going into tomorrow, if Meta get to 295, the next level I'm looking out for is 297.50 here. That'll be back to bullish momentum. And then that could give you your push to 300. That's the target right now. That's the target. If you get to 300, you may see Meta just start rocketing to 304, 306 there. Don't be surprised. But, you know, just be on the lookout for these levels. So now to the downside here, this could be a top here because it has been getting rejected here in this area. This is where it's been getting rejected. So looking for 292 tomorrow to the downside. If that don't hold, the next level is 290. If that doesn't hold, if 290 doesn't hold, you guys, back to 287 here. Meta to the downside. It'll consolidate. It'll figure out what it's going to do here. And if that doesn't hold, the next low level is 285 here to the downside, you guys. So about 285 right in there to the downside, you guys, on Meta. So it can go either way still, you guys. Looking at the CPI data. Google, oh man, 117. Support lost today. Google is down bad. They're still discounting. Nothing wrong with it. That's actually excellent. That's actually excellent if you're going long. But I mean, you know, if you're short right now, it's like, if you're in the short term with it mix right now, it's like, you wanted Google to go up here. But unless you know you got Google to go down in the short term, then you're actually good. So it's however you want it, however you got it. But Google 116.45, cheap AI still getting cheaper. Really sold out today, broke below 117. So that's the level I'm looking out for tomorrow, you guys. To the upside, I'm expecting Google to get back to 117. And if they get there, the next level is 117.50 here. That'll be back momentum for sure. And then they'll have to push on up here. The next high level is 120 here. That's the target right now. They have the gap to fill over here right now. That's what's going on. So that's the levels I'm looking at on the upside for Google going into tomorrow, next week, going further by the end of the week. Wednesday CPI data, you guys, to the downside here. Google's flushing. Google is flushing here. The discount, I like the discount. I love discounts because when you can get discounts, I mean, you know, you have a better opportunity to be profitable. That makes sense. So to the downside, you guys, looking for if 116 doesn't hold here, the next low level is 115 here to the downside, and if that don't hold, the next level is 113 here to the downside on Google, you guys, and that'll be your new bottom. That'll be a complete discount on Google. That'll be a gap fill. I'm hearing something like that from where, or at least they said that's where it started. The AI drama there started right there. It looks like so. It looks like yeah, that's possible. That's true. You know, so I can see the discount coming in. You know, either way, right now it could be going. This could be the discount. They go back up, or it's going to continue the discount. So we'll see going into tomorrow on Google. Alibaba held up today. China trade. So China's looking bullish, you guys. Everybody. The issue with China right now, the whole bet is right now, you know, that they're getting their restrictions eased. So they're saying like, you know, China stocks are, you know, about to become very profitable if you really zoom out all time here on Alibaba. So you know, this stock can really go here. 322 is a high. So you know, this is really technically the bottom over here. So they're saying like, you know, if the China restrictions are getting eased, this is something that you know you could be looking along. So just looking at that, you know, it did pop really huge last week here. You guys it gapped up here, basically from 82 to then going 86, then went all the way to 92. Now it closing at 90. So it is moving here. So just looking at everything closely, obviously where the profit is at. But Alibaba is where it's at right now. Free game, free play. So to the upside tomorrow. Still looking at that 92 break here. If you break above 92, the next level is 94. And then, you know, Alibaba can get really bullish and go to 98. That's another target, but, you know, must get there first at 94 and break above 92. So that's the upside levels we're looking out for. To the downside now, you know, if the restrictions aren't getting eased here, and all of that is a lie, it looks like Alibaba is definitely going to be going down here. So you want to look at it from both perspectives, obviously, but you never want to panic. You know what I mean? You don't want to get into the hype of, you know, Alibaba about to go crazy and Alibaba about to do this, Alibaba about to do that, because you know you want to play it level to level. So that's the best thing to do there. And so to the downside, you know, I'm just saying if 90 doesn't hold, you guys, Alibaba's coming down here. The next low level is 180. Excuse me, it's 89 here. That'll be the level one at 89. And level two will be 88.50 here to the downside. So just looking at it like that, that's where Alibaba's heading, either or. DraftKings. DraftKings. Oh, DraftKings. So DraftKings, man, went crazy today. This play hit. A lot of clients would love it because they started it long term and they're already up here. So and you know, and I was just telling you, you know, it's the summer. A lot of betting's going on before the season start. You know, that's just really where the big bets take place. And DraftKings is very consumer conservative when it comes to that. And you know, as far as movies and entertainment as well. But you know, casinos and you know, it's betting. People are betting, so sports betting and all that, etc. And DraftKings is booming right now. It's the summertime, you guys. So, you know, it can get higher here. It looks like they hit its target today. So to the upsides tomorrow. The next level I'm looking out for now is 30. DraftKings can get to 30, you guys. This thing is really bullish, and we'll see if it does that. So that's the upside levels now. To the downside, I'm looking for DraftKings to come back down here to 27.50 here. To the downside. So we're looking out for DraftKings to go either way going into tomorrow and the CPI data and next week, you guys. That's it though, pretty much. This was WD-40 earnings. Whoa, WD-40 had earnings, so it looks like what they do. Closed at 193, and now they're up at 201. So they're good right now, WD-40. So we'll see if that holds tomorrow, you guys. That's the first earnings hit right there. And you know, we got the other earnings coming out this week. We got JP Morgan and Pepsi, Delta Airlines, etc. BlackRock, Wells Fargo, United Health. Be on the lookout for this. Citibank. It's all going down as we go up. We don't know. We're going to see. We're going to find out. But that's pretty much it on this recap. We're going to do another recap tomorrow. You know how we go. Make sure y'all be checking those levels to see if LCOD is correct here. Now, we're not just doing this just to be doing this. We ain't doing this for no clout now. We ain't doing this. We ain't doing this to show out, to show off. We're doing this, to be financially free, and we're doing this, for the right reasons, the good reasons. The devil been busy, I must say. But I'm still here for a reason, and LCAOD is too. LCAOD is here to stay, and that's forever. Through my children, it will, regardless. You little idiots. No, excuse me, not all of you idiots. Stock futures are a little changed as traders look ahead to key inflation data. Futures are green here, and it's up, you guys. So we're going to see what's happening tomorrow. Y'all be on the lookout for the recap tomorrow. I'll be back tomorrow evening, you guys. This was the recap with LCAOD. Hope you enjoyed it. Hit that like, subscribe button if you could. Peace out.